Hi friends, so in the earlier section we have learned how you can move or rename the file with a single command MB, and we have also seen how you can use special character in those. Okay, so in this lecture we will learn about different type of CLI editor, and we will mainly focus on VI or Vim editor. Okay, so first one is Vim or VI. So Vim stand for VI improved. So it's a more advanced of VI editor, and we will focus on this one on our lecture. Then the next option we have a Nano. So it's also very popular and it's also useful sometimes. And then we have Emacs and then gedit. Okay. So in the VI or Vim, we have three types of command. So first one is command mode. You can change command mode by pressing escape key. Then we have insert mode, and the insert mode is like whenever you will press small I, it will insert at cursor position. If you will enter capital I, then it will insert at the beginning of the line. The small a for appending after the cursor position, and capital A for appending at the end of the line. And the line mode is, of course, you have to write some changes, and if you want to put a single word command there, then you can put it there. So we will learn about this when we will be on Ubuntu VM. So basically this is the cheat sheets. So it is very useful. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay. So now let's move to on our Ubuntu VM and let's practice this. So I'm on my Ubuntu VM. I have this practice text as for practice. So while Nano is a great of simple edits, VI and Emacs have more advanced and powerful feature. Okay. So if you want to open any existing file, you can type vi and then file name. If you want to open a new file, I will type vi hello.txt. Okay, so first let me navigate to my desktop, cd and then desktop, cd and then desktop. I will hit enter. If I will list my files, so there is linux.txt, but if you want to create new, you can also use vi, and I will use hello.txt. Once I will hit enter, it will open any another terminal. Okay, so for here I am on my command mode. Okay, so what I will do, I will press I for insert mode. Okay, I am on my insert mode. I will type anything. Hello there, this is Linux course. Okay, once I am done, I will again press escape key for going to my command mode, and then I will press colon for going into my line mode. Okay, once I am in my line mode, I can press W to just write or save the file, and I can continue working. If I will press W and then exclamation mark, then it will forces the file to be saved even if the write permission is not saved. Once I will write colon Q, then it will quit, and it will also save whatever you have written. If I will type Q exclamation mark, then it will quit without saving changes made to the file. Okay, and the main thing is WQ. Okay, and exclamation mark, so it will write anything to it and it will save it and close the vi editor. And the WQ is same as the X key. Okay, so if I will WQ and save it, and if I will exit it, so if I will list the file, here I am, and if I will read the hello.txt, let me read it here. So I am here. Okay, now let me go back to my terminal and let me again open vi hello.txt. So it says open. So by default I am on my insert mode, so I will press K or L to navigate here and there. So I will press K to move one line above, I will press J to move one down line, and L for right one and J for left one. Okay, now if you want to write one word, I can write W, and you can write anything else, and B for left one word. Okay, so hope you have understood with three commands mode, command mode and insert mode, so and line mode. Okay, now I will go to my line mode and I will quit this. Okay, it's asking me for, then I will hit Q and then exclamation mark and I will hit enter. Okay, so now I have one more file. Let's see this with the help of vi linux.txt. So I'm here, it has some stuff in there. So by default I am in my command mode, so I will use my arrow key, or I can use K or LJ to navigate here and there. Okay, so yeah, now if I want to see the advanced feature, like if I want to go here and there and search for, so suppose if you want to delete a character, I will type X, so it has deleted a character. If you want to undo the changes, I will type U. If you want to delete a word, how you can do that, you can type D and W, so I will type DW, so it has deleted the word. So in there it was space, then it deleted the space. If I will go there, if I will type DW, you can see it has deleted the word. Okay, I will type U to undo it. Now if you want to delete three words, then what you can do, so I will type D3W. Okay, so it has deleted three words. I will do U, then it will change. Now if I want to delete one line, I can type DD, so it is deleted the whole line. Okay, so I will do undo, then I'm on my U. If you want to delete three lines, you will type 3DD, so it has deleted three lines. Okay, I will undo by pressing U key. Okay, now delete the, how you can delete from the current position at the end of the line. So I am in here, if you want to delete, I will type capital D, so it has deleted from here till end of the line. Okay, I will press U to undo it. Now you can, how you can changing the text, so you can press R to replace it by anything else. Okay, if you are, if you could have pasted on here, so you could have changes it. So I will type C or anything else, so I will change U. If you want to change the text from the current position to the end of the line, you will press C and then dollar. Okay, and you will press it. So I will type U, and if I will hit enter, let me exit it by not saving it, and let me again open my Linux. Okay, now I am in here. If you want to copy the current line, so then what you can do, I can go to here, and if you want to go to at the end of the line, I will type dollar. So at dollar I am at the end of the line. If you want to copy the current line, I will type YY. Okay, and if you want to paste it, so come again to the next line and type P, so it has pasted the all line. Okay, from Linux to this one. So I will type U to undo it. I've done that. So yeah, we have learned, and if you want to search, you want to undo anything, you can press U. If you want to redo anything, you can press Ctrl plus R. Okay, and of course you can search for a pattern also. So if you want to search for a pattern, you will press forward slash and then you search for Linux. As it is scan sensitive, then I will press capital L. If I will hit enter, it will search for the file, and if you will type enter enter enter, it will search for that file. Okay, if you want to search for a pattern, so I will go to line mode, I will hit Q save, and I will again move to my this one. If you want to search for a pattern, you just type for question mark and then Linux. Linux is, let's search for Linux is. If you will hit enter, search hit top, continue at the bottom. Okay, so once it will done, it will search for it. Okay, so yeah, so Vim is very powerful, you can play with it. There are a bunch of command. Also I provided you the cheat sheet while sharing my ppt, so you can take help for that and practice your Vim with this. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will learn how you can find and locate files and folders here and there. Okay, so till then, take care.